A fragment of bone found in southern England has forced a more detailed review of how archaic humans worked 480,000 years ago. This discovery challenges the idea that the technology of the time was simple and little varied, revealing a surprising technical complexity. It is a fragment of elephant bone modified to manufacture and maintain stone tools. Before continuing, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and give like if you are liking this content. Your support is essential to continue bringing more interesting information about our ancestors and their technologies. Now let us delve into this fascinating find and its context. The study analyzing this finding was published in Science Advances magazine, focusing on the Boxgrove site in the south of the UK. Through a detailed analysis, researchers have shown that bone is not a casual remnant, but a tool repeatedly used. This provides valuable data on the technical capacity and planning of humans in the Middle Pleistocene. Boxgrove is one of the most important sites of the Lower Paleolithic in Europe. Excavations have made it possible to reconstruct the landscape and human activities of almost 500,000 years ago. This site was attractive for both large animals and human groups, thanks to its diverse environment that included coastal areas and accesses to fresh water. In Boxgrove, hundreds of Akelensi hand axes have been found, showing remarkable symmetry and careful work. These tools were not manufactured randomly, but required well-defined techniques. The finding of elephant bone adds a key piece to the technological complexity observed in this site. In addition to stone tools, Boxgrove has provided animal remains with processing marks. This indicates that human groups carried out systematic butchering activities. The appearance of specialized bone tools such as elephant bone is particularly significant in this context. The object studied is a fragment of elephant cortical bone, with intentional fractures and marks indicating its deliberate use. Researchers have identified typical characteristics of retouching tools, used to sharpen the edges of stone tools. This discovery highlights the sophistication of human work at that time. The finding is considered the first documented case of use of elephant bone in Europe as a tool for carving. This object represents a significant advance in understanding early human technology and its evolution. Researchers highlight the importance of this finding in the context of tool development. Bone analysis reveals that it was worked when it was still fresh, suggesting a practical knowledge of its manipulation. This level of detail at tool-making provides information about the skill and coordination of humans of the time. Use marks show that it has been used repeatedly, not only occasionally. The elephants of the Pleistocene were a valuable resource, providing meat, fat, and bones. However, elephant remains are scarce in Boxgrove, making the use of this bone to make tools even more significant. This indicates that humans recognize the particular properties of certain materials for specific tasks. This behavior shows a detailed understanding of the environment and a capacity to integrate unusual materials into its technology. The use of elephant bone is not an improvisation, but an informed choice that reflects the complexity of the lithic field industry. Akelensi technology was more flexible than was thought. The discovery of elephant bone retouchers suggests that 480,000-year-old humans had already developed advanced technological strategies. These groups demonstrated a remarkable ability to innovate and optimize their tools, adapting to demanding environments. What other secrets will archaeology reveal to us about our ancestors?